The history of laptops begins in the 1970s, when the first portable computers were developed. These early machines, such as the IBM 5100 and the Xerox NoteTaker, were large and heavy by today's standards, and were not truly laptops, in the sense that we use the term today. In 1981, the first true laptop computer was introduced, the Osborne 1, which weighed in at a hefty 24 pounds. It had a 5-inch screen and was powered by a Zilog Z80 processor. Later in the 1980s, the first IBM PC-compatible laptops were introduced, including the Compaq Portable and the Toshiba T1100. Throughout the 1990s, laptops became smaller and lighter, with more powerful processors and better battery life. The introduction of Intel's Pentium processor in the mid-1990s helped to make laptops more capable, and by the end of the decade, laptops had become powerful enough to rival desktop computers in terms of performance. In the early 2000s, laptops began to take on new form factors, such as the ultra-portable subnotebook, exemplified by the Sony Vaio X505, and the tablet PC, which had a touchscreen display and could be used with a stylus. Today, laptops are more powerful, lightweight, and affordable than ever before. They are used by individuals for personal computing tasks, by businesses for productivity, and by students for learning. Laptops are also commonly used for gaming, video editing, and other high-performance tasks, making them an essential part of modern life. Laptops are composed of several key components, including processor, CPU. This is the brain of the computer that performs calculations and executes instructions. The faster and more powerful the processor, the more efficient the laptop will be. Memory, RAM. This is the temporary storage space that the processor uses to perform tasks. The more RAM a laptop has, the more tasks it can perform simultaneously. Storage, hard drive or SSD. This is where the laptop stores its operating system, programs, and user files. Hard drives are slower but have more storage capacity, while SSDs are faster but have less storage capacity. Display. This is the screen that shows the visual output of the laptop. The display size and resolution are important factors in choosing a laptop. Keyboard and touchpad. These are the input devices that allow the user to type and navigate the laptop. Some laptops also have touchscreens. Battery. This is the power source that allows the laptop to be used on the go. The battery life is an important consideration when choosing a laptop. Ports. These are the connections that allow the laptop to be connected to other devices, such as USB drives, external monitors, and printers. Graphics card. This is a dedicated component that handles the processing of graphics and video. It is important for tasks such as gaming and video editing. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. These are the wireless connectivity options that allow the laptop to connect to the internet and other devices without the need for cables. Operating system. This is the software that manages the laptop's hardware and provides a user interface for the user to interact with the computer. The most common operating systems for laptops are Microsoft Windows, macOS, and Linux. The following are the main components of a laptop in terms of their speed range. Processor, CPU. The processor is the brain of the computer and is responsible for executing instructions. The speed of the processor is measured in GHz, gigahertz, and determines how quickly the computer can perform tasks. Processors range from low-end budget options that may run at 1.5 GHz to high-end options that can run at over 5 GHz. Memory, RAM. RAM, random access memory, is the temporary storage that the computer uses to hold data while it's being processed. The more RAM a laptop has, the more data it can hold and process at once, which can improve performance. RAM speed is measured in MHz, megahertz, and can range from 800 MHz to 4000 MHz or more. Storage. Solid-state drive. The storage drive is where the computer stores data permanently. Solid-state drives, SSDs, are faster and more reliable than traditional hard disk drives, HDDs. SSD speed is measured in megabyte per second, megabytes per second, and can range from 100 megabytes per second to 3000 megabytes per second or more. Graphics, GPU. The graphics processing unit, GPU, is responsible for rendering images and video. A dedicated GPU can significantly improve the performance of graphic-intensive tasks, such as gaming or video editing. GPU speed is measured in MHz and can range from 500 MHz to 2000 MHz or more. Overall, the speed range of laptop components can vary greatly depending on the specific model and configuration. It's important to consider the intended use of the laptop when choosing components to ensure that it can handle the necessary tasks efficiently. Laptops have a wide range of applications and are used in various fields due to their portability and versatility. Here are some of the most common applications of laptops. Personal use. Laptops are widely used for personal computing tasks such as browsing the internet, watching videos, creating documents, managing finances, and social media. Business use. Laptops are used extensively in the business world for tasks such as email, accounting, data analysis, presentations, and video conferencing. Education. Laptops are an essential tool for students and educators, providing access to educational resources, research, and online learning platforms. Creative work. Laptops are used by professionals in creative fields such as graphic design, video editing, and photography. Gaming. Laptops can be used for gaming, with many models equipped with dedicated graphics cards and high-performance processors. Travel. Laptops are ideal for travelers, as they can be easily transported and used on the go for tasks such as booking flights, navigating, and staying connected. Healthcare. Laptops are used in healthcare settings for tasks such as electronic medical record keeping, patient monitoring, and telemedicine. Overall, the versatility of laptops makes them an essential tool in modern life, with applications in a wide range of fields and industries.